Diazepam, also known as Valium, is a medication used to treat a variety of anxiety-related disorders, muscle spasms, and seizures or fits. It's a type of benzodiazepine that works by slowing down the activity of the central nervous system. It does this by increasing the effects of a calming chemical called GABA in the brain. By increasing GABA levels, diazepam can help to reduce feelings of anxiety, stress, and tension. Common side effects of diazepam include feeling sleepy or drowsy, dizziness, confusion, and shaky hands, tremors. Diazepam is a prescription-only medication, which means that you will need a prescription from your doctor in order to obtain it. You should not drink alcohol while taking diazepam, as this can intensify its sedative side effects. It's possible to get addicted to diazepam, but you're less likely to get addicted if you take it at the lowest dose that helps your symptoms, for up to 4 weeks. Let me know what medication you would like to learn about next.